Before beginning assembly, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Please note, do not fully tighten the screws until the chair is fully assembled. Loosely fastening the screws during assembly will help to ensure the screws will align with the screw holes. Only fully tighten the screws after the chair has been fully assembled. Connect your frames using the long bar in the front and the shorter bar towards the back. Fasten the frames using the included Allen key and screws. Insert your seat cushion by gliding the front end first, then allow the back to fall into place. Turn the chair over and fasten the seat cushion. Turn the chair over and align the arm and backrest to the brackets on the seat. Align the brackets of the frame with the screw holes. Fasten the armrest and backrest with the included short screws. Now firmly fasten all your screws gradually in an alternating cross pattern. Place the caps into the screw holes. You're now ready to enjoy your new chair.